Good morning, everyone. This is RVS Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College. The topic is entrepreneurship training methods. So, when we speak about a training methods for everything, like whether it is a teacher, whether it is any concern related or organization related or institution related, we need a training. Even in a household, woman who is doing his daily activities, in order to do his activities in full-fledged manner, whether it is a mental relief or they need some specific training, whether it is an emotional training or grip training, or they need it. So training is a must to organize our skills, use effectively our skill, or update our skills. So what is meant by entrepreneurship training and the methods involved in it? It is like learning process where it involves participation and results in change of behavior of program. So there are different types of methods. The first one is lecturer method. Training is one of the world when coming to the lecturer method, we can speak training is one of the worldest and widely used method. It is informative when compared with the development of an audience. It clearly implies only one-way communication. That is a drawback of this method. So to a number of people by someone who is a knowledgeable, one is going to speak it out, and this video lecture is a one-way communication, which is a lecture method. So next one, conference method. It involves effectively be used by the objective to develop participation and insight of the subject. So there will be a few members who will be able to develop a problem or to discuss among that and get with a solution to that. So it is like conference method. Two-way communication will be there. One will be an seminar one. Third one is a seminar method. The formal presentation by a small group of people, we call it as a seminar method. So here in a seminar 2 or 3 people will be there. It is a formal. Panel discussion designed to provide an opportunity to the participant to hear the viewpoints of different peoples. So whether it is a project or any PhD thesis submission, we will be having a panel who is able to hear all the discussions and get with a solution or to finalize it. Workshop. It is like product centered focus especially on the task, whether they learned it or not, whether they get it or not, whether the activity is done or not. We are going to done it by using a workshop method. Buzz group. It is like subdivision of large groups. Focuses on this method is to provide opportunity to everyone. So we are dividing it into buzz groups to express an opinion on the topic. So whoever knows the topic, they can able to buzz it and they can speak. Syndicate method. So syndicate is a common technique which is going to be used because of the high level methods used in teaching learning situations, especially in top level management training. This syndicate method is used. They will be following only one method which need to be followed by all the faculty or all the organizational people who are under their employed under them. Case method. It is like having a long accepted importance method for training entrepreneur. It also facilitates with the activities of participation. So when we speak about a participation, it is like a person who is learning or person who is involved with that particular activity or who is working under that project also comes under the participation. This is the case method, where the next one is a role play. Everyone knows that what is a role play. They will be given a certain task and we need to fulfill the task. Trainers are must to be particular role to given a real feel to the roles, whether it is of any movie or a clip or any of the roles, so that they can feel that and they can do much more. Simulation method. Giving a real life situation and evolving a problem for that is like a simulation method. So laboratory method. Learn by sharing experiences, sense to training. So T and F and all is like practical approach. So as an entrepreneurship is a practical approach, so laboratory technique is much more used these days. So the less used technique is a lecture method. conference and seminar methods are used to get a solution for all the entrepreneurs. One, bus group to let them give the solution. Syndicate one to let the employees work on that. Case method to understand on what category we are facing this. Role play to evaluate their skills. Simulation to get a real-time example. Laboratory is the best practice. So this is about the topic of training methods, which is going to be used by entrepreneurs to evaluate, or any organizations to evaluate the best thing in them and to give you a result of efficiency of 100 not and not %. Thank you.